Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 19th of March, first official day of spring. I'm James Spann, a warm and mostly dry day today, but rain comes back to the state tomorrow, and then we turn cooler for the weekend. Check it out, big upper trough in the western states, producing some very active weather in advance of that thing. That was the radar composite this morning at 4:50 a.m. Series of rain and storms across parts of the south central United States, but around here things are quiet. We are starting off this day mostly in the 60s. Highs will be in the low 80s in many areas today. One of the warmest days so far this year. The watch warning map lighting up like a Christmas tree. And that's often what we see in March. We have blizzard warnings in effect for parts of Wyoming, Colorado, Nebraska. Winter weather advisories for the high plains. Wind advisories for parts of the southern plains. Flash flood watches from Dallas to Cincinnati. And a tornado watch in effect for parts of Texas early this morning. But nice and quiet here. Now, through tonight, the main chance of severe weather well north and west of Alabama. A couple of enhanced risks in that big zone from Texas to the Great Lakes. But here's the good news. Tomorrow, no severe storms expected for Alabama. There's a marginal risk over parts of the northeast United States, but the main dynamic support pulls away, lifting well to the north of here. Then on day 3, which is Saturday, no severe storms expected. There could be a few isolated storms for the southern half of the state, but North Alabama should be dry. Rain for the next 7 days. The east will be wet at times for our state. Rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches for the northern half of the state, under 1/2 inch for the south. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the OZ run, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Troughing over California, a part of that lifting out and ridging for the east. Down below that is surface low is over Kansas, under 1,000 millibars, with a dry line extending down to the south. And south and east of that surface low, the chance of severe storms. North and west of that surface low, snow. And in some places, blizzard conditions. That's a classic March storm right there. But for us, it should be mostly quiet. This is the high-res NAM at 4 o'clock, basically showing nothing. There might be a shower in spots, but they'll be few and far between, much like yesterday. We're expecting low 80s for most places. Now, tomorrow, that surface low that was over Kansas, that thing is over eastern Canada. And the trailing front brings rain and storms by afternoon, but nothing severe. I'd say rain amounts 1/2 to 1 inch. Main window for rain for the northern half of the state, noon to midnight. This is Saturday. The surface front moves all the way down to near the Gulf Coast. A cooler day for North Alabama. The sky, I'd say, mostly cloudy, but there should be some sun at times. The high 65 to 70, but if you're up in the Tennessee Valley, probably cooler there. Any showers over far south Alabama, even there, probably not too much. But Sunday, a wave forms on the front. The front moves north as a warm front, and it turns wet. We'll have periods of rain Sunday, maybe not all day, but rain at times. High should be in the 60s. And then as the wave moves on by Monday, we get back into drier air, and any showers should be isolated. Highs around 70. Tuesday, just a few isolated showers. Highs in the upper 70s, and Wednesday looks pretty quiet. We'll be close to 80. A week from today, this is Thursday, March the 26th. Big trough in the west, upper high over the Gulf, and that looks quiet and warm. Let's go out 10 days. Saturday, March 28th. Again, an upper high over the Gulf, and still that looks quiet. And the great news, we see no signal here of any flooding, severe weather issues for Alabama for the next 7 to 10 days. Here's the rain for Birmingham for the next 15 days off the European ensemble. The mean, about 3.5 inches, the green line there. Temperatures, 80 today. We cool down into the 60s this weekend, but we bounce right back, and we could see low, maybe mid-80s toward the end of next week. And the CPC outlook, March 26th through April 1st, showing above average temperatures for the southeast, below average for the western U.S. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.